Guys, welcome to this week's market update. Just wanted to focus on a couple key highlights. It's been a quiet week in terms of earnings, but there has been some eventful news in some highly speculative stocks. So I think it'd be a good idea just to talk about that for a quick minute and see what you guys think about that. So one area of the market that I've owned for probably about 3 years has been exposure to this series of stocks called Crispr. And CRISPR technology is related to gene editing. So I will show you guys a quick chart in a second of what these CRISPR stocks look like in terms of investments. The last 3 or 4 weeks, a lot of these stocks have actually tripled in value as some initial test results came out regarding these stocks. I can tell you that the stock CRISPR itself, since the beginning or middle of October, it's moved from 100 to about 160. There's 4 stocks in this area. The other stock in this area is Editas. That has went from effectively 30 to about 60. Another one is Intelia, NTLA, and that one has went from, effectively 20 to about 60. And then the last one is called Beam. Beam has went from about 20 to 75 since the middle of October. So all these stocks have run up, especially in the last few weeks. They have gone, completely parabolic. A lot of my clients held these stocks in their portfolios, but they were actually really small positions. So when I see a name I like, but it's high risk and highly speculative, usually I like to position these as pretty small positions. And if they do well, let them run. And if they don't, then, you only have a small loss because it was a small position to begin with. So these gene editing stocks have done really well. While I still like them, I've sold a little up here for most of my clients as they went, really to the moon here. Someone might now have a 3% position in these stocks where they really only had a 0.5 to 1%. So, good portfolio management is really sometimes, regardless of the story, taken a little bit off the table when a stock has gone sky high. Oftentimes, this is when a lot of people pile in. The stock, one client actually yesterday, called me out because one of the stocks, Editas, had gone up 200%. And I sold a little yesterday. And then today it was up another 25%. So, timing, in the long run matters, and the day-to-day it can be challenging. So be careful with speculative stocks. They can move around wildly. It's easy telling this story now because the stock effectively has done so well. But, this stock is also known to go down 50% easy at any time. So initial stories that we're reading today that are positive on this gene editing technology, they're still in phase 1 and phase 2 of these trials, and in some cases not even in a phase 1. So they're years away from commercialization. So there's likely to be ups and downs, and in the meantime, another technology could come in and leapfrog these companies. So it's not without risk. But I'll leave that here for today, guys. It's really been a great semester. I believe this will probably be my last market update unless I decide to do another one. Who knows? Maybe I'll continue to post these on YouTube. I hope you guys have enjoyed this class as well, and looking forward to speaking with you soon.